Hey, Turkey Man! Better start running.
Burn Off the Bird is a family tradition in the Phoenixville region that has been running for 14 years strong. Bring out your family and friends for a 5K race starting and ending at the Phoenixville Recreation Center on Saturday, November 25th at 9:30 a.m. This event guarantees to help you digest that Thanksgiving meal. A virtual 5K race is also offered at the location of your choosing. If you care for more running leftovers, sign up for both Burn Off the Bird and the Leftovers Run, hosted by the Runagades, for a discounted price. Registration for this event can be found on burnoffthebird.com. On your marks, get set, go! We hope to see you at the finish line.